Unit 1 Statistics Introduction, Meaning and Scope. Meaning of statistics. Meaning of statistics in plural form. Statistics stands for numerical facts, facts expressed in numbers pertaining to a set of objects, a situation or a phenomenon. Example 1. 300 students took the examination. Among them, 254 students passed. 167 students passed in the first class. Example 2. The heights of a group of 5 students in centimeter are 156, 168, 180, 153, 172. Meaning of statistics in singular form. Statistics stands for the science of collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data. Definition of statistics. Definition of statistics in the plural sense. By statistics we mean aggregate of facts affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes, numerically expressed, enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy, collected in a systematic manner for a predetermined purpose and placed in relation to each other. This definition is given by Professor Horace Sechrist. Characteristics of statistics. First one, statistics means the aggregate of facts. Facts can be analyzed only when there are more than one fact. Single fact cannot be analyzed. For example, Mr. X is 180 centimeter tall, but only this information is not possible to analyze because there is no other information given for comparison. On the other hand, if the height of other persons are given, then it is possible to compare and analyze the data. Second, statistics are affected to a marked extent by multiplicity of causes. The facts are the results of action and interaction of number of factors. For example, yield of paddy. If we consider the paddy plant, the growth of paddy plants depends upon various factors such as soil quality, amount of rainfall, quality of seeds used, quality and quantity of fertilizers used. Altogether, there are many factors affect the development and growth of a plant. Only single factor cannot be responsible for its development. Statistics are numerically expressed. Only numerical facts are statistically analyzed. For example, changes in price. If we consider production and price relationship, as there is increase in production, there will be a decrease in price. But only this information is not sufficient. Instead of that, there must be some figures for its analysis. Statistics are enumerated or estimated according to reasonable standards of accuracy. The facts should be enumerated or estimated with required degree of accuracy. The degree of accuracy differs from purpose to purpose. For example, measurement of length. If we measure the length of a screw, millimeter is sufficient. If we measure the height of a person, then centimeter is required. In both the cases, we are measuring the lengths, but we are taking different unit of measurements. Statistics are collected in a systematic manner. The facts should be collected according to planned and scientific methods. Statistics are collected for a predetermined purpose. There must be definite purpose for collecting facts. Statistics are placed in relation to each other. The facts must be placed in such a way that a comparative and analytical study is possible. Definition of statistics in singular sense. A. L. Bowley defined statistics as the science of counting. Later, he redefined the statistics as science of averages. Boddington defined statistics as the science of estimates and probability. Croxton and Cowden defined statistics as statistics is the science of collection, presentation, analysis and interpretation of numerical data.